Hello friends, welcome to Mahesh Maths classes. We make it easy, you learn it quickly. Today I am going to teach you tables up to 100. Tables plays an important role in mathematics. Tables make the calculations easy and faster, not only for students but also for the aspirants of competitive examinations like IBPS, RRB and all the other competitive examinations. These tables are very important. But how many tables you know? 12, 15 or maximum 20. That too, you need to remember all the tables. But after watching my video, you will be able to learn all the 100 tables. Do you think it is not possible? I will make it possible. So while let us start. First, we'll learn from 1 to 10, 20 tables to 7. So first with what you are multiplying here? 7. So write it as 70. Then the number in units place, that is 2. Multiply this 2 with 7. 2 sevens are 14. So add them. 70 plus 14, 84. That is your answer. I will repeat it. See here, 12 into 7. So this 7, I am writing it as 70. And multiply 7 into 2, 14. I am adding it. Answer is 84. Here 13 into 8. So 8 I am writing it as 80. 3 into 8, 24. So 80 plus 24, 104. So 13 into 8 is 104. Isn't it easy? Now 14 into 5. Write 5 as 50. 4 into 5, 20. 50 plus 20, 70. 15 into 6. Write 6 as 60. 5 into 6, 30. That is 90. 16 into 9. Write 9 as 90. So 6 into 9, 54. So you have to take the units digit, that is 6. So 6 into 9, that is 54. So 90 plus 54, that is 144. 4 into 7, that is 28. Before that we have to write 4 as 40. So 40 plus 28, that is 68. Now no need of doing it by using pen. You can do it directly without using the pen. So if you want, let us try this. 18 into 8. So 8 we will write it as 80 and 8 into 8, 64. So 80 plus 64, that is 144. So initially it may take 10 to 15 seconds for you to calculate, but after practicing well, you will be able to do it in 3 seconds or 4 seconds. So this 8, I am writing it as 80 and 8 into 8 is 64. So when you add it, you will get 144. Now 19 into 9, that is 81. That is 9 into 9, I am writing it as 81 and 9 I am writing it as 90. 90 plus 81, that is 171. Let us do it orally now. 17 into 7. So 7 we have to write it as 70. 7 into 7, 49. So 70 plus 49, that is 119. So the answer is 119. So no need of remembering the 17 table. If you want, we will write 16 into 6. So 6, we can write it as 60 plus 6 is 36. 60 plus 36, that is 96 is the answer. Now we learn 21 to 100 tables. In this, the method is little different. With what we are multiplying? With 5 we are multiplying. In the previous examples, like from 1 to 20, we have multiplied first with the units digit. But here, we have to multiply with the tens digit. So 5 into 2, that is 10. 5 into 2 is equal to 10. As it is tens place, you add 1 0. So that is 100. Now you multiply the units digit, that is 5 fours are 20, and add them. That is the answer. Now 6 into 3, that is 18. So add 0, 180, and 7 into 6, 42. So that is 2, 8 plus 4, 12, and 1 plus 1, 2. Triple 2 is the answer. So I will explain this 37 into 6 once again. We have to multiply the tens digit first, that is 6 threes are 18, and we have to add 0. Next 7 6 are 42, that is 222. 56 into 7. So let us multiply 7 into 5, that is 35, add 0, it will become 350. 7 6 are 42, 350 plus 42, 392. Next 9 into 6, 54, add 0. Next 7 into 9, that is 63, add them. 540 plus 63, that is 603. You can take one more example here. For example, 69 into 8. So 8 6 are 48, that is 480. 9 8 are 72, that is 2. 8 plus 7 5. 4 plus 1 5. 552. So within fraction of seconds you can multiply anything. 84 into 9. So 9 8s are 72. So write 720. 9 4s are 36. That is 720 plus 36, 756. Let us do this orally. 8 9s are 72. That is 720. 8 7s are 56. So 720 plus 56, 776 is the answer. So hope you understand this concept, but practice more and more to make these sums faster and faster. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe if you like it.